Introduction to recurring events in Outlook Calendar.
Creating recurring events helps you manage regular meetings, reminders, and appointments in Microsoft Outlook Calendar. In this guide, you'll learn how to set up weekly, monthly, and custom repeating events, making it easier to stay organized and automate your scheduling.
Opening the new event window.
To get started, open Outlook and go to the Calendar section. Click on New Event or New Appointment. This opens a window where you can enter event details like the title, location, and time. Once you've filled out the basic information, you can set the recurrence pattern.
Setting up weekly recurring events.
To make your event repeat every week, click the Recurrence or Repeat button. Choose Weekly, then select the day or days you want the event to occur. For example, select every Monday if you have a weekly meeting. Click OK or Save to confirm these settings.
Creating monthly recurring events.
For monthly events, select the Monthly option in the Recurrence settings. You can choose a specific day of the month, such as the first Friday or the 15th day. Adjust how often it repeats if needed. Then, save your changes to schedule your monthly event automatically.
Custom recurrence and end dates.
Outlook also allows for custom recurrences. In the Recurrence settings, pick Custom to set your own frequency, such as every 2 weeks or on specific weekdays. You can also select an end date or a number of occurrences, so the event stops repeating when you want.
Saving and managing recurring events.
After finalizing your recurrence settings, save the event. To make changes later, open the event and select whether to edit just one occurrence or the entire series. Managing your events this way helps keep your calendar accurate and up to date without extra work.
Wrap up. Streamlining your schedule.
With recurring events in Outlook Calendar, you can efficiently manage repeating tasks, appointments, and reminders. Using these tools, you'll save time and reduce the chance of missing important events. Explore additional calendar features to further improve your productivity.